Hey guys, what's up and welcome once again to my channel. It's Ali here with another video for you guys. If you're new to my channel, then please do take a moment to go right on ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and also to hit the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new vid. And if you've been rocking with me since day one, welcome on back. So today's video is going to be another hair tutorial. As you guys can see, I'm looking really glam and comfy and classy with this like super top knot bun that I have been loving these last couple of days. So I've been rolling out the hair tutorials because they've been long overdue, and obviously you guys are always looking for something new and creative and just cute to rock, especially with summer right around the corner. So I came up with this look, super easy, super spontaneous. I literally like get this done in like 10 minutes because it's that quick and easy, and it's also just like a statement look. I feel a lot of people, when they see me rocking this look, they really like it. So I figured I'd do a tutorial for you all. All the products will be listed down below in the description box. So if you want to see how a girl achieved this really cute and chic bun, then keep on watching the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Alright guys, so starting off on some stretched hair. I had already pre-styled my hair during the week, and now it was time to put it into a protective style for the day. I'm using all Jane Carter Solution products with the exception of my Eco Styler Gel, the Mist Me Over, the Shine On Curl Elixir, the Nourish and Shine Restorative Butter, and some Eco Styler Gel. So going in with the Mist Me Over, I've come to thoroughly enjoy this product. It's really lightweight and it's great for prepping your hair for your styles, and I'm just working that in on my ends as well as the rest of my hair and showing some extra TLC to my ends. Now as I'm working that in, I'm making sure to apply it mostly to my hair shaft as well as the rest of my hair, smoothing it on. Going in with the Nourish and Shine Butter, I'm going to be focusing this on my hairline because as you can see, I do have some dry spots. So I'm grabbing a quarter size amount and I'm going to apply that to the ends of my hair as well as work it up. And then grabbing that same amount, I'm going to start applying it along those dry spots just to help add some moisture and just get rid of that nasty looking stuff so that the style can be clean and well preserved. Now this was also the first time I was using these products, so I was thoroughly impressed with the outcome, and I've come to use them almost every day just because I'm enjoying them that much. Like, look at how quickly that covered up my dry spots. Now I'm just detangling with my Denman brush to make sure that I don't run into any kinks or bumps along the way while styling, and this is just a really quick brush through, being that my hair was already pre-detangled. Now going in with my Eco Styler Gel, I'm just slapping that on so that I can get the sleekest, most poppin' bun ever. And I switched back to my olive oil Eco Styler Gel just because I feel that it definitely has a bit more hold than the black castor and flaxseed oil one. Please let me know in the comments down below if I'm the only one that feels this way or if some of you guys feel the same. But I just love my olive oil Eco Styler Gel, so I had to go back. Grabbing some scrunchies. I purchased these over at H&M, and they're actually really sturdy and really nice and tight. They also don't snag on your hair, which is a plus. If you have any bumps along the way while creating your bun, then you could just go ahead and smooth those down as I did here. And now I'm just going to loop my hair 3 times. So once I'm done, this is pretty much what I'm left with. And now going back in with that Nourish and Shine Butter, I'm just smoothing that on and I'm going to start doing my twist. So you only need a total of 2 for this style. I feel like it just makes the style that much smoother and easier to work with, and also a lot quicker. And I'm just twisting all the way to the ends, making sure that I twirl that around my finger in order to get that last bit of added moisture from the hair butter on there as well. Especially since it's going to be tucked away, you want to make sure that those ends are moisturized. Now that I've got my 2 sections to work with, all I'm going to be doing is grabbing that twist, looping it forward, and tucking it under. So you pretty much just wrap it around the base of the ponytail and just tuck your ends underneath. And I'm doing the same with that second piece and just tucking it underneath the first twist that I looped around the scrunchie. And once it's tucked underneath neatly and you adjust it to your liking, you can start going in with some bobby pins to hold it in place. Once everything is to my liking, it's time for my satin scarf to let this bad boy set and just lay those hairs all the way down so that this look can look super sleek. And I'm just gonna let that sit for 10 minutes. Once we've pretty much let the scarf set and settle, it's time to do the big reveal. And as you can see, your girl's hairs are laid and my hair looks super moisturized, as well as my hairline. You can see that those dry spots are gone, and with the exception of those flakes, I can easily dust those off. Here I'm just pulling out my baby hairs. Yes, this is the way I pull out my baby hairs. I don't do all that extra edge control gel and whatnot. Going in with my Shine On Elixir, I'm just spritzing this all around the style, and I'm going to smooth that on with my hands. I actually really love this product. It smells so good and it leaves such a bomb and natural shine. And this is the finished look. So I hope you guys all really enjoyed this tutorial. It's super quick and easy as mentioned before. Please give it a shot and let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to tag me in photos on Insta. Just hashtag me, Ali Sanai, and I will get to see all of your styles. But I absolutely love this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did creating the tutorial for y'all, and I will see you in the next one. So, as always, see you guys in the next vid. Bye!